Hey everyone, with the launch of the LG Gram Plus View 16-inch extended screen in China, LG's selection of portable displays has gained a noteworthy addition. The Gram Plus View was first introduced in South Korea in 2022, with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 2K resolution. It offers more vertical space than conventional 16:9 displays, which increases productivity. The LG Gram Plus View's ability to support Type-C one-line communication, which makes connecting with a single USB-C connection simple, is one of its best features. Compared to earlier models that needed many connections, this model significantly improves setup ease and minimizes cable clutter. Additionally, the monitor has a 45 watts reverse power supply feature that lets it use the USB-C connection to charge a laptop that is connected. The LG Gram Plus View is designed for portability, weighing just 660 grams, and comes with an anti-glare panel that delivers up to 350 nits of brightness. This makes it suitable for various lighting conditions, whether in an office or on the go. The monitor's color accuracy is impressive, covering 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is ideal for tasks requiring precise color representation, such as photo and video editing. Despite its compact size and lightweight design, the LG Gram Plus View does not compromise on usability. It includes a folio cover or stand that provides a stable support and can be adjusted to 2 different angles, ensuring comfortable viewing positions for different scenarios. However, it is worth noting that the monitor does not have built-in speakers, so users will need to rely on external audio solutions. The LG Gram Plus View screen is currently offered as a complimentary gift with certain LG Gram notebooks in China, making it an attractive bundle for consumers looking to enhance their productivity with a high-quality portable monitor. Despite being a promotional item in this context, the LG Gram Plus View carries a domestic price tag of $552 when sold separately. The LG Gram Plus View costs $349 in foreign areas, which is a more competitive price. Its more affordable price point increases its allure and makes it a more viable choice for a larger spectrum of customers looking for a flexible and portable extended screen. The monitor's availability across many areas is indicative of LG's strategy to meet the growing need for portable and effective display solutions worldwide. Overall, the LG Gram Plus View 16-inch extended screen is a flexible and portable monitor that boosts productivity thanks to its precise color reproduction, high-resolution display, and practical USB-C connectivity. It is a fantastic partner for LG Gram laptops and other devices that connect with it, especially for professionals who require a dependable secondary screen when traveling or conducting remote work. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.